Good evening, children. See, yesterday we discussed some exponents, laws. Already we discussed in third part. Now see here some errors are there. If it is correct, see in exercise 4.2, fifth one, Rakesh solved some problems of exponents in the following way. Do you agree with the solutions? If not, why? Justify your argument. What he is telling? If it is Rakesh solved some problems, is it correct? If it is wrong means why it is wrong. You have to say the or you have to give the reason, particular reason. See, this is in which formula? A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. That means a to the power of m plus n means here it should be x to the power of minus 3 minus 2. That is equal to x to the power of minus 5. But here x to the power of minus 6. So it is wrong. So in this way we can justify our answer. See this one. This is in which formula? A to the power of m by a to the power of n. A to the power of m by a to the power of n. That is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So a means x here. X to the power of 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. That is equal to x power 1. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. But here x power 4. So this is also wrong. Next this one. A to the power. This is in which formula? A to the power of m whole to the power of n. That is equal to a to the power of m into n. But here x to the power of 2 into 3. That is equal to x to the power of 2 3s are 6. But here 8. So it is also x to the power of 8. So this is also wrong. Next, how to write this one? This is in which formula? A to the power of minus m. A to the power of minus m is equals to 1 by a to the power of m. According to this one, x to the power of minus 2. This is a and this is m. So 1 by x square. Like this we have to write. But here it is wrong. Next, this one. See, only for x it is having minus 1. That means same formula only. A to the power of minus m is equals to 1 by a to the power of m. So here 3, it will be like that only. Only x converts like this. 1 by x power 1. So answer is 3 ones are 3 x, 3 by x, but here 1 by 3x. So this is also wrong. In this way we can justify our answers. This is fifth Roman in exercise 4.2. See, in this chapter only one part we have to see now. Remaining all we completed. How to convert the usual form to standard form. How to solve the problems by using these laws. Six laws are there. So by using that laws we can solve the problems. Now the last one is how to convert standard form to standard form means 0 between the number should be 0 and between 0 and 10. But now convert, that is second Roman. That is second. Express the following numbers in the convert the standard form. We can write like this also. Convert the standard form or express the standard form in the usual form. In the usual form. How to convert the or express, whatever it may be. Here in the textbook they have express, but I wrote convert. Both are same only. Convert standard form they will give you standard form. You have to convert it into usual form. That means normal numbers we have to convert. See the first one. What is the first one? 4.37 into 10 to the power of 5. See how to convert. This is the standard form. We have to convert into usual form. Usual form means how? First you have to remove this 10 to the power of 5 and write in the expanded, that is what is that one? 10 thousands. 5 zeros means 1 lakh, sorry. 4.37 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you multiply this one, what you will get? 4, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros will come. Before 2 digits you have to keep point, that's why 1, 2. Before 2 digits this will go. So the answer is 4, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3. So this is the answer. In this way we can convert. See one more example for this one. 5.8 into 10 to the power of 7. So how to convert this one? 5.8 into, expand this one, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. So multiply. First you ignore this point. First multiply, normal multiplication. 5.8 into how many zeros will come? 58, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros will come. Before one digit we have to keep point, before one digit. So this is the standard form. This is the usual form. This is standard form. We converted into usual form. This is standard form. We converted into usual form. Next. See here positive power. If positive power means we will convert like this. If negative power means what you will do? We will see that one. Negative power means what you will do? Negative power. See, for example, 32.5 into 10 to the power of minus 4. See here negative power. Up to now we saw the positive power, but see here negative power. How to convert this negative power? See this formula. A power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. By using this formula, I will write 32.5 by 10 power 4. Again, expand this one. 32.5 by how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. See, if you divide with zeros, or that means zero numbers, you have to go to the left hand side. See here how many zeros are there? 4 zeros. So point should move towards the left hand side. 4 numbers before you have to move. See here already 2 numbers are there. Still you want 2 numbers. That's why we'll keep 2 zeros. 3, 2, 5. So point will come from here to 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it will come. See, understand carefully. See here point is here by 10,000. By 10,000 means, see, by 10,000 means the point should move towards 4 digits before. That means left hand side it should move. So here already 2 digits are there. You keep 2 zeros and put point. If you see one more problem, you will understand nicely. See here. Three, 7, 8, 9 into 10 to the power of minus 5. See, same formula. Use this formula and write under that one as denominator. A power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. So, see here 3, 7, 8, 9 by 10 to the power of 5. Here negative, if it comes reciprocal as denominator, it becomes positive. So 3, 7, 8, 9 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So put point. Now the point is here. Jump 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more should come. So 0. 0.0, 10 should come. 3, 7, 8, 9 is the usual form. In this way we can solve the negative. If they give negative powers means you have to write it as reciprocal and then convert this one, and point should move here. If 4 zeros means 4 digits before that point should come. 5 zeros means before 5 digits the point should move 5 digits left hand side. Okay, thank you. See, in this way you can solve all the problems. Now this chapter is over. Next we will see the next chapter. Thank you.